To create and upload a new occurrence record on the EDDMapS Pro app, open the app and make sure you are on the home screen, or use the drop-down menu to select Invasives Map to get to that home screen. Next, tap the plus icon to see your options for reporting a new record. Your options are use my location, draw a polygon, drop a marker, or take a photo. For more information on these options, please watch the Options to Create a Report video. For this demonstration, we will use my location. On the reporting form, select the species you're wanting to report from your list of species. You can search the list by typing in the species name, and you can use the common name or the scientific name. If the species you are reporting is not an option, use unlisted or unknown and add the name of the species in the comments for later editing. The species is now added to the reporting form. Next, you will want to attach images to help with verification. You have two options to do this. Take a picture or select from library. Location will show the device's current location according to its GPS. This is because we did use my location. You can control whether the report is private by either having the box blank or check it to hide the exact location. If you hide the location, it will only be visible to the public at the county level. Time spent is great for tracking hours, surveying. And under habitat, you will select the appropriate habitat. And this part of the reporting form will vary depending on taxonomic class. If you are reporting a plant, you will have this option of habitat. You will be able to enter area and approximate the density of the infestation. Area is auto-filled when a polygon is drawn and is enterable for points. If you are reporting a wildlife species, this section will have quantity and life status. And if you are reporting an insect, you will select a host species, habitat, damage type, damage severity and area, and the pattern of damage. For status, positive means the species was found, treated means the species was found and treated, and negative means the species was looked for but was not found. Make sure you select the appropriate status for the report you are submitting. The last options within the reporting form is to enter any notes and treatment comments if applicable. Finally, make sure you tap Save at the bottom of the report to save it to your upload queue.